Start it. Ready?
I heard.
I hear Daddy too. Do you want to show Daddy how you can count to 10?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Go. 2, 1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 6, 5,
7.
8, 9, 10, 5.
Yay! Want to do it one more time?
10, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Start at 1 again.
1, 2, 3, yay!
Ready? But go all the way to 10. Start at 1. Ready?
10, 10,
Go 1.
1, 1.
What comes after 1?
1,
2.
3, 4, yay!
5.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, start at 1.
1, 2,
3.
3, 4, 9.
What about 6?
6, 7, 8, yay!
9.
9,
10.
10.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, one more time from 1.
Go sleep.
You want to go to sleep?
But my bug go.
You want to find your bug?
Yeah.
And then go to take a nap?
Yeah.
Okay, one count to 10 one more time.
10, 1, 2, 1. Say bye-bye to Daddy.
We'll say bye-bye, Daddy, but do you want to count to 10 real quick?
10. No.
Okay, you're all done?